Okay, so
I'm Calvin.
Hello. Okay, so everybody say your numbers. I'm 1.
2,
3,
4.
Okay, so for the first problem, natural log e is always 1, so that's like saying 1 times 2 minus x, and 1 times 2 minus x equals 2 minus x. So that is true.
I'm gonna kill my dog. Oh. Okay. Barking. Okay, so for number 2, I just typed it. For number 2, log of 2 of 8x is like saying 3x, or like 3, yeah, it's saying 3, and then equals 3 plus log 2 of x, which is like 0, so it's 3 plus 0 equals 3, so 3 does equal 3.
Yay!
Okay. Number 3. So you're gonna need to write both numbers with a base of 2, and then simplify from there. You simplify the logs with numbers into fractions, and the fractions end up being 2/3 plus 4/3, and 2/3 plus 4/3 is 6/3, and from 2nd grade we know that equals 2. So yes, number 3 is true.
And for 4, it's false because you can only add the logs together if it's multiplying, and since it's adding in the parentheses, it has to be false.
Okay, so for the expand, on the top numerators are positive, so that's like 6 natural log plus 2 natural log x, and in the denominator, it's negative, and that's addition, so you can't separate it, so it'd be 6 natural log plus 2 natural log x minus natural log x plus 1.
Oh, I'm next, sorry. So, for expanding, you're doing log 10 of 100 x to the negative 3rd power, so that would be log 10 of 100 times 1 over x to the 3rd, and then that would be log 10 of 100 over x to the 3rd, which is then log 10 of x squared minus log 10 of x to the 3rd, and then once you simplify that, that's 2 minus 3 log 10 of x.
Number 3. Okay, so in the problem you can see that the top of the fraction, the numerator is x plus 2, and if it's addition, when dealing with addition, you cannot separate it out. So you keep the x plus 2, and then you multiply it with the ln. And so it'd be ln parentheses x plus 2. So you got that part, and then the denominator is multiplying, so you can separate it because it's not adding. So what you do is you still multiply it with the ln, but you make it negative. So it'd be the result, the answer would be ln parentheses x plus 2 parentheses minus ln parentheses 2 minus ln parentheses x.
And okay, for me,
Whoa! I would like to make a constructive criticism on that. It'd be ln x plus 2.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, minus 2 ln minus ln to the x. Okay, Raven, you keep going.
Okay, Raven, go.
okay. So first thing, I took away the square root, and I multiplied, I put the exponent of 1/3, but everything. So there's 5 1/3, and then just regular x, then y 1/3, and z 1/3 or whatever. So then I just added all of that stuff together and put it with the log. So it was 1/3 log subscript 5 plus log subscript 5x plus 1/3 log subscript 5y plus 1/3 log subscript 5c.
Okay, for now the condensing, this is positive, so it's in the numerator, and it's addition, so you can't separate it. So on the top, or the numerator, it'd be natural log x plus 4, and this is subtraction, so it's the denominator, over natural log y to the 3rd, and this is positive, so you can put it in the numerator or the denominator, but I put it in the denominator instead. z to the negative 1.
Okay, so for number 2, it's you just like distributing the 4, so it would be 4 log 2, the time whatever it is, the k minus 4 log 2 k minus.
Yeah, so mine is pretty simple if you don't overthink it. So you would just multiply it out. So 4 times 1 is 4, and then you would multiply the 4 and then ln x, and that's 4 ln x. And then same with the next one. And so you add the common factors to make sure it's simplified. You get 4 plus 8 ln x.
Okay, and so for mine, since it's 1/3, you know it's gonna be a cube root. So you take away like the 1/3 from everything, and so then you have logs of 8, and you get the cube root, and then it's under it is 8 cubed in b to the power of 6 over c to the power of 21.
Yay!
Yay!